Alright everybody, welcome to the next episode. Take a look here. What a mess, right? Yep. Basically what I've been doing is I've been on a journey to try to find flooring that isn't completely damaged. And as you can see here, as I've been moving forward, well, the search hasn't been very good. Not at all. As you can see under there, we've got more rotten wood. In fact, take a look at this. Was even able to find some raccoons in here with a little baby in there. So that's going to pretty much put a damper on any more of my work here today. But we'll scoot back here and you'll kind of see what I'm running into. The plywood, I would say, is maybe 1/4 of an inch thick, and they did do good here because they filled the floor full of this looks like the closed cell foam, and you can tell because of how brittle it is. So they did use a good foam. That's good. But the problem here is it also keeps the water up and accelerates the level of rot. So what I started doing was taking apart more and more rug, moving forward more and more in hopes of finding some wood that wasn't rotten under here. And having found 2 raccoons so far and no solid wood, it looks to be like the project's going to expand a little bit. We have moved from a full transom rebuild to include the wood floors as well. So as you're working on your boat, you may run into the same scenario. Just be prepared for it. I kind of knew ahead of time. In this area early on, it was kind of soft, and I had a feeling that was going to be a problem. On another note, which is a good thing, is the motor mount and its base are actually really solid. Probably the most solid part of the boat. And why do I say that's good? Is because getting your alignment set on your boat after you've taken out the engine blocks is highly complicated. It's very hard to do. Not easy by any means. So by me not having to adjust this or remove it, it makes life easier for me because I'll leave the engine portion and we'll demo all around it and leave this here. Now obviously we made the measurements ahead of time for the transom, so we know it's going to be, I believe it was 24 inches tall, about right there, and we know where the hydraulic pump is going to go. So that's good. Those are some of the basics when you're putting your flooring back together. You just got to be aware of that. You can see here this flooring is pretty pitiful. So as I said, what I'm going to do, and you may have to do this in your boat, is start removing things like seats. You'll see here these seats probably need to get done, considering what's going to be involved at this point, because I'm going to have to remove all the carpet. And I was looking underneath there where you put your skis, and I was able to see that even the plywood underneath there was highly rotted too. So that's going to be a challenge. Stay tuned. Just want to give you a quick update of where we are in the project. Lots and lots of work. So next steps here, clean everything out. I'm going to give the raccoons over there a day to escape and move. I don't want to disturb them too much, especially the mother over there. So, hope you all liked the video series. As always, if you thought it was helpful, subscribe, like the video, leave comments, let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and we'll talk again later. Have a good one.